Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to enable the auto hotspot feature on this device. Simply go to the settings and tap on the option connections. Then here you can see the option Wi-Fi. Just tap on this one. So here you can see the three dots on the top right side. Tap on this one. Tap on intelligent Wi-Fi. Then here you can see the option auto hotspot connection. Tap on this one. Then you can see some options: never ask before connecting, always. You can select never or ask before connecting or always. So this auto hotspot lets Galaxy devices connected without manually entering password. So you can select ask before connecting or always. So simply in this way we can enable auto hotspot option on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.